Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about this Iqoo Z9 5G. We'll be doing the unboxing and a quick overview in this video. So first we have the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. We have a TPU case, clear case, some paperwork, Type C to Type C cable, a charger, SIM ejector pin. Now let's keep this aside. Talking about the build quality and the in-hand feel of the phone. Now let's first check the weight of the phone. So as you can see, this phone weighs 189 grams. So as you saw this phone is super comfortable to hold in hand, and as it is very super lightweight, so you can carry it easily, and it has a boxy design. This phone is surely an eye catcher. The design details are surely on point. The build quality is also very good. Now let's talk about the cameras of this phone. This phone has a 50 megapixel OIS main camera and a 2 megapixel bokeh camera. Front we have a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Here are some camera samples. You can judge for yourself the camera quality. Over here, as you can see, this is a 120 Hz AMOLED panel, and go into settings. This phone comes in 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and it has Dimensity 7200 processor, which is clocked at 2.8 GHz. And this phone comes in Android 14 out of the box, and it is based on FunTouch OS 14. Now let's test the display quality of this smartphone. I'm running a 4K video on YouTube. You can check for yourself. So this phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and it has 44 watt fast charging. So one thing to note here is that, as you can see, I have downloaded an app from the Play Store, and this phone is suggesting me such different types of other apps to download and games to download. So definitely this phone comes with a bit of bloatware. So in the end, I would like to conclude that if you're looking for a smartphone around 20,000 rupees with good cameras and good battery life, so you can consider this phone, that is Iqoo Z9 5G, and it is very handy and good to hold in hand. The design is great, people will love it. So that's it for the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's it. Thanks, peace.